Hey, guess what, man? You know, we get all the great chefs over here and future chefs from Kapilani Community College. But who's the fastest chef?
Man in the Pan!
Big Shakaro Man in the Pan! Hey, guess what? I'm at KTA. I get the real man in the pan. This guy, he buys so much pans, right?
Yes, I buy pen because they give me a pen, and you know what? The man in a pen is the best pen.
I
You gotta
tell
buy
you.
that.
You see, this guy, he's the man with the pen.
Right, you got
Big,
that?
yeah, big Shaka. Awesome. Okay, pen he gets. Yeah?
Okay, that's
Okay.
How about 3 on a pen?
Oh, no. Welcome to the man and the pan. I'm going to do something really exciting for you today. I'm going to make chicken cutlets. So simple. What do you need? Simple, like flour. You need one egg. You need some breadcrumbs. Okay, all what you do, turn on the stove, put in some olive oil in the pan. On this chicken here, right? I'll season it. Okay, make sure this is like boneless, skinless thighs, so it's kind of like open and flat. Okay, garlic powder, and put on a little bit Hawaiian salt. So what I do, get the flour just like this, right? You get one egg over here. You gotta beat it up like that. You can add some water if you want inside. Yeah? Okay. So if you don't want the cutlet to be so big, you can always cut it in half. And maybe I'll cut it in half. Cut the thing right in half just like this. Okay? First thing you do, you put on the flour. Okay? Dip it in the flour just like this. Okay? Then you dunk it in the egg mix, just like this. Flour, egg, and panko. You get the 1916 panko right over here. Yeah? You know, you don't want to crowd the pan, yeah? So I use 1916 panko, plus I use olive oil. Okay? Let it go. And you make sure the chicken doesn't contaminate it. It's very important. So at my house, I really use ozonated water and I sanitize everything, right? Just with ozonated water. Because it's really important because you want to make sure that you don't contaminate anything. Because chicken has a high count of bacteria. Okay, you fry everything on medium heat. Okay, I think it's done. Okay, put it on the unbelievable chicken katsu. Cut it up in smaller pieces, just like this. Perfect. Okay, in fact, I'll put on some chicken tonkatsu sauce right on here, just like that. Okay. Burger look good. Let's see how it tastes. There you go. Oh, wow. It's so oishi. So on. It was so simple to make. Just very few ingredients. Wow. Okay, until next time, we'll see you on the man and the pan. Aloha.